In Linux, we can encounter special files, and we have to learn to deal with them. And in today's episode, we will see how to do it with the over-the-wire Bandit level 1. First step is to access the remote machine, and we will use the SSH command. But before, we have to get the first level password that we have saved in the documents folder, so let's access it. Then let's print using get the bandits.md file containing the bandit1 password. Select the password, right click and copy. Now we can use the SSH command bandit1 as user at bandit.labs.overthewire.org. Specify the port, that is the 2220, and enter. Now just paste the password and enter again. Now that we're inside, we can use the ls command, that stands for list, to list all the files and folder. Like you can see, we have only one file. Let's try to print the file. Use cat and dash. Like you can see, nothing happens and we can't enter anything. Let's exit with Ctrl C, or in my case backslash. So how do we print the file? To print the file, we can use the cat command and a // that indicates the current directory, and then a dash. In this case, the bash interpreter will understand that we're talking about the file, not a special character. So if we enter, like you can see, we have our password. So let's copy it and exit from the machine. Now we can use vim and bandits.md to insert the new password. Let's go to the new line, add 2 asterisks and then bandit2. Under here, just paste the new password. And let's quit. Clear the screen and here we go. So, like we saw, there was nothing too complex about the first level. It was just a knowledge gap that we have to know that using // we can specify special characters. If you liked the video, consider a like, maybe a comment and a follow. And see ya!